Para maganda pa rin.
Like, look how the way it bounces.
Don't worry, pets. We will look after you.
Hello mga tita and
Hi,
tito.
titas.
So papunta kami dun sa bahay ni Lola. Dala kami ng
Yeah.
meat sa freezer kasi puno na yung aming freezer.
Mommy.
Binigay sa amin ng aming friend.
My hair is extra
His dad, galing ng work. So punta din kami kay tita.
What's your back there?
Punta kami din kay tita. Magbigay kami ng meat kasi sobrang dami nga ng meat namin. So let's go. Ako magda-drive. That's my passenger. Okay, bye-bye.
How much pesos would you like?
Belt on, belt on.
How much pesos would you like?
Oh, I have
Pesos.
16. Please, 170.
She's a taxi driver. Of course I need a pair of pesos.
I need some money. 50 ba? Slowly, buka man yan. Nandito na kami kay tita. Madala kami ng karne. Ang dami kaming karne. Yan. Tapos dala namin siya ng prutas.
No more pushing out and leaning back. Just press a button and watch the magic. Don't let go, please, though. That's okay.
Bye. Look at the town. Looks beautiful.
They got the lights actually twinkling.
Ito na yan. Be? Oh.
So we're going down to. We're gonna look at something. We're gonna go to this house that has a ton of Christmas lights, and it's very beautiful.
And really good. And looks like guapa guapa. Look at it. Look at it.
I should
Ano
stop.
pinto ate?
Wow, it's so pretty.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Kita mo te?
It's a
Wow.
Christmas house.
Here's another one. A Christmas tree.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh,
Oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches? What a beautiful Christmas tree.
Oh.
And the gorgeous town. This place, that place, it's all colored in green and red because, you know, Christmas spirit.
And
of
pink
course.
and orange.
And now the next one that we think is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful like me. Okay, so this
This is a big Santa.
it's a huge Santa.
Wow, look at
So good. Oh, that's so beautiful.
Oh, it's a big Santa.
I love it. Looks like
Lantawa tita, oh, ganda.
Merry Grinch.
Tapos may malaki na Santa doon.
Can't you see at the top? Merry Grinchmas.
Where? Ah.
And they're watering here.
I want to do it.
We're going to water the plants down. Wala kasi dito si Lola, tita. Kaya i-water namin kay Doto. Gamatayin na sila. Oh.
Can I please?
Ilang days na ako hindi nakapunta dito. You can turn around quick. Ayan yung ating taga-water ng plants ni Lola.
Don't worry, pets. We will look after you.
Yeah. Wala kasi dito si Lola, tita, nasa hospital, no? Ilagyan din natin ng tubig ito kay para maganda pa rin. Dinala ko ito dito kay Lola para may konting pang Christmas man siya. Okay. Okay, that's it. Please help your sister with watering the plant, please.
I can't. I'm way too busy with my gorgeous hair. Like, look how the way it bounces.
Hinay lang, baby!
Oop.
Can you help her? Don't go. Help her.
I'm still way too busy with my hair.
Put the white one or in the big one?
I'm going to put the white one, but the white one's not cold yet. I'm going to leave this in here tonight.
Which one, the small one?
So, yeah. I've defrosted it, so it's not cold yet.
Oh, yeah,
It's not
so-
cold yet. So, I'm just
Ah,
going to...
Di, nagkalalaya ang kamatis, ti. Ilang days ko lang hindi na, naboteran kay gani, hindi ako nakapunta dito. Nagluyo siya. Look at this, Dad. Oh, no. Nangalanta ang mga, lettuce. Okay, just me. Marimar. Yeah. Ito tomorrow, nagkalaluto na sila, oh. Naluto na wala sa oras. Can you get the water on, please? Diyos mio, Marimar, pati ang mga ko nagkalalaya, oh. Ilang days lang, ha. Even my palm. Oh my goodness. It's dead. Buti ito, wala na laya. Grabe talaga ang init. Grabe ang init today. Malaya, good siya. Mabuti na lang napuntahan ko ngayon ti or else bukas ay taging na ito sila. Bula oh. Haluin na. Tingnan yung mga kamatis ko malalaki na pero natralaya sila. Dahil sobrang init. Ilang days kong dinabunyagan. Ayan. Haluin na. Ito pa itong malaki oh.
Ashton, look out! There's a big fireball! Oh wait, that's just a red moon.
Really? Just you said that's a big ball. You said that's a
Okay, tapos na tayo, te. Tingnan ko muna ang baka may snake. Pupunta tayo dito sa ating mga fashion fruit. 4 pa rin sila, hindi nadagdagan. Ayun. At least kahit pa paano, nag-fresh ang dahon niya kahit yung transfer natin dito. Ayun. Pwede na yan. Ba't mga sinong kakagat naman? Uli na kami. Alright, let's go home. Wala kangaroos. Ito yung malapit sa bahay lang, Tio. Nice naman siya. Tapos yung bahay namin nandun sa unahan.